In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change calendar views in Outlook on your phone. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your schedule or wished you could see your calendar in a way that suits your day, this walkthrough is for you. By the end, you'll confidently switch between day, 3 days, month, and agenda, so you always have the right level of detail for planning. Start by opening the Outlook app on your phone. Give it a second to load your inbox. From here, look along the bottom of the screen for the calendar icon. It looks like a small calendar page and sits alongside Mail and other tabs. Tap that icon to jump into your Outlook calendar. Once your calendar is open, turn your attention to the top right area of the screen. You'll see a magnifying glass for search, and right next to it, a label showing your current view. It might say day, 3 days, month, or agenda, depending on what you last used. That label is your view selector. Go ahead and tap it. A small menu will appear with the 4 view options: day, 3 days, month, and agenda. Tap the one that matches how you want to see your schedule right now. Day gives you a detailed, hour-by-hour timeline for a single day, which is perfect for busy schedules with back-to-back meetings. 3 days shows a compact span across 3 consecutive days, great for quick planning when you need to balance today, tomorrow, and what's right after. Month displays the full month in a grid, helping you spot open days, travel blocks, and busy stretches at a glance. Agenda presents everything as a clean chronological list, ideal if you prefer scrolling through upcoming events without worrying about the grid. As soon as you select a view, Outlook updates instantly. If you change your mind, just tap the view label again and pick another option. You can switch as often as you like, which makes it easy to adapt your perspective whether you're planning a detailed workday, previewing the next few days, or scanning the whole month. If your screen looks a little different, don't worry. App layouts can vary slightly with updates. The view selector consistently lives next to the search icon at the top. Also, whichever view you choose applies to all calendars you've enabled in Outlook, so color coding and shared calendars remain visible in every layout. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, go to Calendar, tap the current view near the search icon, and choose day, 3 days, month, or agenda. Try each one and stick with the view that makes it easiest for you to plan your time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.